Hi, I'm Ilan Gowen here. We are here in New York, sharing with the business families let's hear from Impian. Hi, Impian.
Hi, hello, Assalamualaikum. Here we are at Airnav. We have three products that we produce here. Carabina for the monitor construction, Innova for asset management, and Terra Agra for smart farming. So summary, we are software house developing all of these custom software, and we introduce these three products for the use of solution client lah. So another thing, we have three services such as WebGIS, area data processing and analysis, and also area surveying and inspection. Mostly three services is included in these three products.
Thank you, Impian.
Okay.
Hi, next we are meeting Aziz, Chief Engineer from Airnav Institute. Let's hear from Aziz about the operation of his training. Yes, Aziz, thank you very much.
Alright, thank you for receiving me. Alright, my name is Abdul Aziz again. So we would like to show to you guys. So in Airnav, we provide trainings and also services for trainings. We are more focusing on towards proficiency, and then at the same time we provide for the processing, data acquisition, and also data analysis. So from zero to hero, basically. That's the idea for this thing. And then we have like few fleets over here. As you can see, we have a Wintra. This is the VTOL aircraft. This thing can go up to 10 kilometers distance, and then for the maximum ceiling altitude is around 5 kilometers. Right, 5 kilometers. This is for the Wintra. And then Mr. Ricky over here. This is someone in charge for the coax. So this is for the educational tour.
How much average price? Right.
60, more or less. 60. So this thing is coming from Russia. Okay, our target is basically more towards 15 years old person until to the researcher. At the same time, what we can provide you is that the training for the assembly and also disassembly. And at the same time, we can provide you for the autonomous training. So for the autonomous training, we use Python as the basic language.
Can the user, the team, the club reprogram
Yes,
controls and certain principles, landing, fly,
basically the person able to reprogram whatever the way you want. Basically, if let's say you have like
How many minutes flight time, Aziz?
around 10 minutes, 10 minutes, around 10 minutes. If let's say you have like a few drones, you can make a small drone. You can make like a show, something like that.
Yeah, I understand. Nice. Okay. How about this unit?
Okay, so this unit is a Matrix 300, Matrix 300 RTK. So this thing we use especially for the inspection and also mapping. For this particular part, as you can see, can have like a few threads. So we don't put any payload over here. So payload basically the camera itself can be changed from the thermal camera, multispectral or whatever. As of now, we are acquired for the LiDAR camera. Alright.
So thank you very much, Aziz. Impian from Airnav Institute. Hi, thank you for the community for giving the pages from UIP Central Malaysia Makai. I'm Ilan Gowen, thank you. Also CIO of IPS Drone, IPS Global Malaysia Makai. Thank you. Terima kasih.